Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a really unusual, cool and interesting motorcycle. It's a scooter really, and its homage is coming from the very popular Honda Zoomers or Honda Ruckus. These are known as in America as the Honda Big Ruckus, and formerly in Japan they're known as the Honda PS250, but they're essentially a bigger version of a Honda Zoomer or Ruckus with the 250cc engine. This one has a Moriwaki exhaust system on it, which makes it sound great. I'll go around the bike though. Condition wise, the bike is in really good nick, top nick I would say. Little mark here and there which I'll point out to you, but tires, oil, everything has been done to it. It's in top running order. Bear with me as I go through the bike though, because there are a few unusual features that I do want to show you, such as a parking brake on the right hand side of the bike here. So you push this, it kind of like leans in to you, and you'll pull that in, and then to release it you pull it out again. Other things is you have a fully adjustable seat. This is going to be difficult to do with one hand, but you come underneath, you're going to put in your key here, you release it, and you're able to pull this lever here. Sorry, I'll see if I can show you that, and push it forward, I believe. Hold on. So that's it in a forward position, you'll see there, and see if I can get this into a rear position here with one hand. There we go. So there you can see the difference. We'll put it in the rear because I'm a bit taller and would like it in the rear. You also have a foldable seat, so you have this upright position for a really comfortable position for a solo rider. And then if you're going for a pillion, you pull this and then it comes, and then you have a bike for two there, with nice pillion pegs and plenty of room at the back for the passenger. Let me put this up into that position, and then once that is up you have a full rear rack where you can load a lot of luggage into. You can even put a back box here if you like. Other than that, you do have a little bit of side storage as well. Here on the what is the right hand side, you come in here, really nice little bit of storage in there. As you can see then, bike is in really nice nick. Another thing is fill the gas you have, or petrol I should say, you have it here, and then the coolant is on the left hand side there. You can see this is a Japanese import bike with the Japanese stickering. If it was American, I believe it has Big Ruckus on the side rather than PS250. Okay, condition then. Front tires in really nice nick. Front mudguard, no marks to make note of. Original front headlamp and indicators. Front medals here, you do have space in here to fit a little bit of luggage as well. You might get a school bag or something like that, a backpack in there with a bit of tie downs. Bungee strips, 35k's only on the clock. You have all your readings here on your left and right clusters, and a key here as well, as you can see. What else? Let me just put this in here. Down to the centre of the bike, all the plastics are in good condition. The seat is in really good condition, sorry. Up until this point here is a very minor tear in it. All really cool though. You have your kind of American style footwells, feature feet, main stand and side stand on this bike, and you have the Moriwaki exhaust system. 2006 motorcycle. Rear of the bike have the plastics, which are actually really nice condition, no scuffs or marks really on it, which you traditionally find. Left hand side of the bike now, CBT, airbox, all that in really nice condition, and we have the side stand here too. Side plastics, all the plastics, everything. I haven't even pointed out a mark. You know, you might see a very minor mark here, but I mean it's all very small stuff. Little mark up the top here as well. Those front rubbers there on the shocks are looking really good. No need to change them, no leaking or anything from the front forks, and a nice chrome mirrors as well. So that's it for the visual inspection of the Honda Big Ruckus PS250. I'll now move on to the ride along video. Okay, we're on to the Big Ruckus 250 or PS250. The first thing I'm going to start off with is how to start the bike. So if your bike is on the side stand, remember to flip up the side stand itself. It's on the main stand now, so you can start it on the main stand. What you're going to do is you're putting your key into the ignition, You're going to put it onto the on position. Now your electrics are on and the bike is ready to be started. Remember, now it has automatic choke and all that, so all you have to do is pull in the brake, rear brake here, make sure it's on again. Make sure your engine stop is in the on position. Bottom is on, top is off. You're going to then put it on, and away she goes. That is from completely cold as well. You'll see that we have a bit of low fuel, so hopefully we get round. Wouldn't be the first time I ran out of fuel around one of these trips. As you can hear, the bike sounds great. And first thing you'll notice is how comfortable the bike is. You'll see with the backrest, it's really nice. I can sit back. I can nearly just sit back completely. I can move the bars back way further and nearly lean on the back itself. No worries, bud. He nearly hit me there. Well, he didn't really. I think he got a fright more than I got a fright. I always have to be cautious in here. It's just very difficult. But anyway, we're going to turn in left here. As you can see, the bike is really, really easy to drive. I can look, drive it one hand. The throttle is very forgiving in the way it moves, and also it's not a threatening bike. Not to say that it's a slow bike, it certainly isn't. Here we have a little doggy, probably doesn't like us too much with the noise. And off we go. We get well up to speed though. I'm completely leaning on the back here, so feels lovely. Really nice. Look at that as well. I can let go of the handlebars, no judder or anything like that as well. Really, really smooth drive, even though it's a single cylinder motorcycle. And we're going to brake here and have confidence in the brakes. See that? Really, really good braking. And turning circle then as well. Really, really good, as you can see. Lots of confidence to tip the bike around. Tyres are in good condition, front and rear, as you've seen in the visual analysis. So this is owned by a previous owner that we know. We imported the bike directly from Japan just for him. He requested a PS250. They're very, very difficult to get a hold of. So this will be, we've only ever had one. They're really, really difficult. Zoomers are getting really, really difficult, and these PS250s are getting even more difficult to get a hold of. And especially in this kind of condition, a lot of them are kind of ruined. I think I've seen two in Ireland, this being one. Both are army green. The other one was not brought in by us, but I think was brought in through the UK. This one is a Japanese model though, which is a nicer of the two models itself. So I'm just going to pull in here to the left hand side and get in here. Again, brakes, really confident on the brakes. Really stops very well. You have your parking brake as well, which you can put on, which I've shown you in the visual analysis. But for now we're just going to get out, have a look at what she's like on the road, and as you can see, there she is. Really, really nice. Front light indicators all working, as you can see as well. I'll go through that in a moment. Let me just get a thumbnail for the video, and snap, there we are. So here we go. This one I believe has hazards, so this is going to be simple enough. There you can see the two rear ones working for me, and the front two working as well. So it has hazard lights. It's a really peculiar bike. Lots of little quirks in it, as I showed you in the video. Very, very difficult to get. We have had a few requests. I can't remember the names of them who wanted the bike, but we have had a lot of requests to get a PS250, so I don't reckon this will be up for too long. The people who will want them will snap it up. So if you have seen this video, please do get in touch very, very quickly. If you do want to get a hold of this bike, get onto us and have a chat. You've seen the bike braking, stopping, turning, driving, everything going through up to even nearly 80 kilometers an hour. The bike is pulling really well, stopping really well, turning really well. Tires are good, serviced, everything ready to go for the next owner. So if you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of the PS250 or the Big Ruckus 250. As well as that, if you could subscribe to our channel, that would be greatly appreciated. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Instagram and Facebook, as well as our official website being www.retrobikesdublin.com. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.